Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto sesame chicken recipe. Hey there, the first thing we need to do for this keto sesame chicken recipe is we're going to make sure we have all of our ingredients all ready to go, because this recipe goes by really quickly. I'm going to finish cutting up my chicken breast into about 1 or so inch cubes. You want them to be bite-sized pieces like this. So I've got about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that I am cutting. Okay, we've got all of our chicken chopped, and now I'm going to combine all of the ingredients for our sauce. I've got 5 tablespoons of tamari, or you could use soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar-free ketchup, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of sugar-free brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So now we're going to stir that up. We're going to cook our chicken breast in a large nonstick skillet over about medium to medium-high heat. This is actually not a nonstick skillet, but I can't use a nonstick skillet on this induction cooktop. So I've just used a cast iron skillet that I've sprayed really well with cooking spray. You could also use oil, but since our sauce already has a lot of sesame oil in it, I didn't want to add any more oil to this recipe. But if you want to use oil, then that's just fine. So we're going to cook our chicken over medium to medium-high heat until it's about almost all the way done. It's going to be about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, our chicken has some nice color on it. So now we're going to stir our sauce in. And we're going to bring that up to a simmer, just so it can get nice and thick and coat our chicken. Okay, our sesame chicken looks amazing, so now we're going to finish it off with some white sesame seeds. And how good does that look? And let's try a bite. The chicken, I can tell it's tender. So good, so much flavor. This is perfect for meal prep. Put it over cauliflower rice, or even like green beans or zucchini noodles. It is amazing. Makes 4 generous servings. So check out this recipe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.